Hi, today for the Motorola Moto E22 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and let's launch Play Store, and here in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge app. Now let's just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now we should click here to open the app, tap to draw our reps, and now we should find Muviz Edge application here, tap on the switcher and go back to the app. Switch now Edge Lightings to AOD and select one from these available tabs. Click here to apply. So now let's just lock our device. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.